Xiaomi's next generation fitness tracker, the Mi Band 5, has been in the news for quite some time now. According to a report by GIS China, Xiaomi is planning to launch the Mi Band 5 this month. Hey guys, Abhishek here on Droid Therapy. So let's take a look at the Mi Band 5's predecessor, the Mi Band 4, and see if it's still worth the asking price in 2020. None of Xiaomi's Mi Band devices have ever been the most well-designed pieces of tech, but the Mi Band 4 is an improvement. The Mi Smart Band 4 has a capsule-shaped body that fits in a strap. The strap is made of silicone and feels comfortable. It has a 0.95-inch AMOLED display that looks dazzling and is definitely one of the most intuitive displays in its segment. The color display gives the Mi Band 4 a leg up over every other fitness band in this segment. I had issues with sunlight legibility on other fitness bands, but that wasn't an issue on the Mi Band 4. With the maximum brightness of over 400 nits, I was able to make out the contents on the screen even under intense glare. The screen has a 2.5D curves and an anti-fingerprint coating to prevent smudges. Using the band regularly for the past few months without a screen protector has led to a number of scratches. So if you are planning to buy one, I would really recommend getting a screen protector. The display is a touchscreen display, so you will do most of your on-device navigation through taps and swipes. The user interface of the Mi Smart Band 4 is quite good. You can swipe up or down to cycle through the screens, which shows detail of your workout, notifications, heart rate, etc. You can customize this list using the Mi Fit app on your paired phone. Swipe left or right from the watch face to access music controls, or swipe right to go back from a different screen. You can also tap the capacitive button underneath the display to go back. And because of the colored screen, you get greater freedom in customizing the watch faces. There is a selection of over 50 options in the Mi Fit app, and switching the watch faces is straightforward. Just pick the one you like and hit Sync Watch Faces, following which it will show up on your Mi Band 4. You can also add thousands of custom watch faces from third-party developers through some third-party apps. I also did a video on adding custom watch faces on your Mi Band 4. I will leave a link to that video as a card and also in the description below. The fitness tracker can easily detach from the silicone band if you would like to swap it out for another band. And don't worry, there are already plenty of third-party Mi Band 4 bands available on Amazon. The Mi Band 4 case is compatible with the Mi Band 3 bands too. To charge the Mi Smart Band 4, you need to take the capsule out of the band and place it in its charger, which is just as finicky as earlier models, and it is easy to lose. Xiaomi claims that the band can go on for 20 days on a single charge, but there is a catch here. Most of the basic features of the fitness band are disabled by default, presumably to keep up the battery life. To be fair, despite manually turning on most of the features, you can still expect the band to run for 2 weeks on a single charge, which takes less than a couple of hours to accomplish. If you had a custom animated watch face, and if the continuous heart rate and sleep monitoring features are turned on, then you can expect a battery life of 9 to 10 days maximum. The Mi Band 4 has a 50-meter water resistance and a 6-axis accelerometer, and Xiaomi has added a host of new workouts to the band's activity tracking. The band can track sleep, heart rate, and different types of workouts including swimming. The step count is quite good. Expect accurate tracking plus or minus 10 to 15 steps. The band doesn't have an inbuilt GPS, but it lets your phone's GPS track your runs. All in all, the tracking features are fairly accurate. So are the heart rate tracking as well as the sleep tracking features. You can also analyze your sleep quality on the Mi Fit app, which also sprinkles in a piece of advice or two on what might help improve your sleep quality. The Mi Smart Band 4 has some other good features like Find Your Device and the option to automatically dim the band's brightness as evening sets in. You can also customize the strength of band's vibration to your liking. The Mi Band 4 can also relay call, text, email, and just about any other notifications you receive on your smartphone. Notifications come through to the Mi Band 4 right away. You can't reply to any of them. And due to the little display, some messages can be hard to read, but it's still a nice feature to have. Honestly, there is very little that the Mi Band 4 gets wrong. For what you are paying for the fitness band, you are getting stellar value. Realme also released a Mi Band 4 competitor called the Realme Band, but it really doesn't stand a chance against the Mi Band 4. So for the asking price of 2,299 rupees, the only true competition to the Mi Band 4 is the Honor Band 5, which also comes with almost similar features. Of course, the Mi Band 5 will come with some more added features and slightly higher price. But for the time being, the Mi Band 4 is one of the best fitness trackers you can get for the price in 2020. So that's it guys. If you like the video, be sure to drop a like and share this video with your friends and family. And if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.